you just rub a lazy crayon over that. You can do layers of color to make a background page.
Cool.
Okay, so I've already done orange and yellow. All right, and then I did a little drawing on a piece of paper, just something simple. You want to keep it fairly simple. Okay, I'm going to show you how to transfer that. I can lay that face down on my styrofoam and rub it like that, and it's going to transfer my drawing to my styrofoam. Okay,
Wait, what?
so now I can see where I need to carve.
Nani?
Okay, see how I did that? Damien, did you see what I did?
Okay.
Okay, so I went ahead and, this is one that I did years ago, so rather than take time to draw all that, you can kind of see how I carved into that. You do not have to cut it out, but if you want it only to print that shape, then I would cut it out, okay? You can do it in different shapes. I've had people punch holes in it before. Here's a cool little cup, okay? So then you take your ink and roll it out. You roll it onto the surface. This one's kind of old, guys, so it might not work as good.
Can you write words?
If you write words, you need to write them the correct way here, and then when you transfer it, it will reverse them because they have to be backward on this plate for it to work. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so then I lay this here. I lay my paper on it and I rub gently, and hopefully it will turn out. Okay, so see how it prints the parts that are raised up in relief. Does that make sense? Okay, so you can do all kinds of different designs. There's step-by-step directions here. And also I gave you in Google Classroom a slide presentation, and I think it's slides 4, 5, and 6 that deal with this. And it shows you more examples and shows you, again, step-by-step how to do it, okay? You can use different colors, but I would keep the color scheme pretty simple until you kind of figure out what you're doing, all right? Let me write a word just to show you what it does, okay? So if I write Javea, then when I transfer it, it's going to make her letters backward, which is how you want it, okay? Because if I carve that and print it, I want it to be a mirror image, right? I want it to flip. So if you do letters, they have to be backward on your plate. Does that make sense? Okay, because it's going to reverse your image, right? This is something like what Paul Revere did. You could print it over, you could make 100 copies of it, okay, if you want. Do you see what I mean? See how that's different than what we've done before? Before we did what's called mono printing, which you can only make one print at a time. Okay? Any questions about that? Okay. All right. If you are finished with your WOW project or you want